Yo, what's good everybody? Thank you so much for tuning in. Today I got a great video for you guys. Today we're going to be restoring this pair of Yeezy V2 Clouds. These are absolutely cooked. I mean, a whole bunch of yellowing, they're really dirty. They got a bunch of stains on them. I'm going to give you guys some B-roll right now. Show you guys how dirty and filthy these are. Then we're going to get into the complete restoration. We'll be doing a complete transformation on these, cleaning everything. The laces, the uppers, the insoles, and of course we'll be scrubbing the bottoms. And to top it off, we will be deoxidizing the outsoles and the midsoles to make them look icy again. We will be only working on and cleaning the left shoe, so we will put the right shoe to the side, and so whenever we're done with this whole transformation, we'll get the right shoe, we'll put them side by side, and just see how much I could bring these back to life. Alright, here's a breakdown of pretty much everything that I'll be using in this restoration. We'll be using Rejuvenator Sneaker Laundry, Adidas Yeezy Cleaner, some cotton pads, isopropyl alcohol, a soft brush, a medium brush, a stiff brush, and a wire brass brush. The only thing here that I'm using that is not on the table is Salon Care 40 because that arrives in the mail tomorrow. Real quick guys, if you guys don't have any shoe brushes, you can always just use like an old toothbrush or something like that. Alright, the first step in this restoration is we're going to be removing the laces, so let's just go ahead and get rid of that. Alright, so now that the laces are done, we can go ahead and put them to the side for now because we will be coming back to clean those later. So now let's get to work. Right now I'm just going to pour a little bit of this cleaner into this solo cup, and then I'm going to fill this up with warm water. Alright, so now that the solo cup is all filled up with our cleaner, we're going to take our soft bristle brush, we're going to dip it in there, and then we're going to start attacking these uppers. Alright, so now that the uppers are clean, we're going to go ahead and wipe this off with a towel, and then we're going to go refill our solution cup up with some more water. Alright, so now that the uppers are all wiped down, we're going to switch to a medium bristle brush, and we're going to start attacking these midsoles right here and see if we can get off all this dirt that's been trapped in there. Alright, now same thing as before, just go ahead and take a towel and just wipe off all this excess solution. So now that the midsoles are all cleaned and dried up, we're going to go ahead and switch and start cleaning up the bottoms with a stiff bristle brush. The outsoles, we just dried it off. We're going to start cleaning up some of these little areas that the big brush didn't get with some isopropyl alcohol and some cotton pads. Just finished up with the isopropyl alcohol and the cotton pads, and that definitely did make these bottoms look a little more cleaner. And so now we're going to move on to the next step, which is taking them down to the laundry and use the Rejuvenator Sneaker Laundry detergent. Now that we're down at the washing machine, go ahead and put a shoe tree in the shoe and then put the shoe in the Rejuvenator washing machine bag. Alright, so now that the shoe's in the bag, I'm going to go ahead and throw these laces in there. I'm going to throw them in there, and I'm going to show you guys the settings to use whenever you wash your shoes with the Rejuvenator laundry system. So you're going to use custom program, put your wash temp, make sure it's on tap cold or cold, normal soil level, spin speed high, and then special use, I just do rinse plus spin, and it's a total of 31 minutes. Last but not least, just go ahead and fill up your Rejuvenator laundry detergent and then just pour it into the washing machine and try and get a little bit of the solution onto the shoe itself. So now that the washing machine's done, I let these dry overnight. I'm picking this video up the next day, but these definitely look a lot cleaner. So right now we're going to go ahead and start the process of unyellowing the sole. So what you're going to need is some Salon Care 40, some cling wrap or saran wrap, whatever you want to call it. And I'm using an old toothbrush, but you can use like a paintbrush or something like that. First thing you want to do is put down a nice sheet of saran wrap, and then you're going to go ahead and put the shoe upside down so you can start painting the soles with a Salon Care 40. It's pretty straightforward. What you're going to do is you're just going to put your paintbrush or your toothbrush in the Salon Care 40, and you're just going to start painting the shoe, and I'll get back to you guys whenever I'm done with that. Alright, so I just finished covering the bottom of the shoe with the Salon Care 40. And now I'm gonna take these to my indoor setup and I'm gonna show you the process. Almost forgot to mention this, guys, but flip the shoe and put the sole on the saran wrap and then just start flipping it up like this. It doesn't have to be perfect. Let's go ahead and take these to the ice box. So this is my indoor setup. I know it's not anything professional, but this is basically just a plastic tub that you can get from like Target or Walmart for a couple bucks. And then inside of it is actually aluminum foil that I just taped on each side. This will keep the UV rays, it will bounce them off, and it will give better results. And of course, you can't forget the UV light. I'm using an LED grow light I purchased off Amazon. I'll put a screenshot of this right here. I believe this was like 80 bucks. So what we're gonna do is put the shoe in sole facing up, and then we're gonna put this on top, turn it on, and we're gonna let them sit in there for about 12 hours. Just like that, and then I'm gonna turn on the grow light, and then I'm gonna just let it sit here. So now we got the icebox turned on. I'll check back in with you guys after the session's complete. Before I show you guys a side-by-side comparison, if you guys enjoyed this video so far, please give me a big thumbs up on this video. It'll let me know that you guys enjoy this type of content. It'll also help my channel grow. Also, I want to mention that on the left shoe, I did 2 12-hour sessions, so 24 hours in total. And after the first session was done, I just took it out of the icebox, wiped it down with some warm water. Then I let it sit there for a few minutes to let the shoe cool down. Then I just reapplied this Lawn Care 40 and put it back in the icebox. Moment of truth, here's a side-by-side comparison. There it is, guys. Check that out. Night and day difference between the two pairs. The top pair obviously being the one that we cleaned, and they are so much more cleaner, and the outsoles and mids are so much more crispier. Check out how yellow the midsole is on this pair that we did not clean, and check out how dirty it is also. And then directly compared to the pair that we cleaned, check out how much more cleaner and wider the midsoles are. These turned out amazing. That pretty much sums up today's video. I appreciate you guys sticking around to the end. And if you guys want to follow me on my Instagram is right here at Sneaker Spectrum. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.